Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels here. This will be going up on YouTube, probably Instagram, Facebook, a few other places. That gentleman over there in the background just delivered our first 2023 ZR2 1500 crew cab. There is a lot that I love about this truck. I don't even know where to start. You got the 6.2 liter engine. I love this layout here with the color differential on the hood. I love the grille. I love the blackout area here for the chevron with the red around that. I actually like the red tow hooks combined with this. I love I don't even know how to describe this. I love the lights. Looking at the tires here, there's a few things we're gonna go over real quick. This thing MSRP is at $75,840. We are honoring supplier and employee pricing. There is a $1,000 Costco rebate going right now for all Costco members as of 10/31. You can't sign up now and get the rebate. You got the 12 tie down points. You got the bed liner on this one. I guess that's a minor detail on a truck like this. Of course, you're gonna have the towing package. You got the 120 volt power outlet. This one does also have the tech package, which includes the 15-inch heads-up display, adaptive cruise control. This one does have the power sunroof. You got the sliding rear window there. You're going to have the 13.4-inch touchscreen. You can run Apple CarPlay and you can run Waze off of that and Android Auto. We're going to be putting in off-road high clearance steps. Obviously, they're not on it yet. I am loving the rims. I love everything blacked out, as you guys know. I love the ZR2 emblem on this truck. There's going to be a link below with more information. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you and have a great day.